Hello, fellow educators. I'm Stephen Torres, industry fellow and faculty here at UC Berkeley, and I am going to be hosting the upcoming Teaching Across Screens workshop. And the first thing I want to do is commend all of you teachers out there that went from teaching amazing in-person classes to teaching in this little box. It's super hard. I had never done it before. As a matter of fact, I saw a really great song that a fellow educator wrote, and I want to share that with you right now that kind of sums up this transition. Here it is.
As much of the world continues on in isolation, people working from home, they're trying to figure out things to do with their family, things to figure out how to pass the time. Yeah. Lindsay and Kels, a lot of teachers have been going online and coaches trying to help out their students and their athletes. This one teacher in particular, music teacher, I thought was phenomenal. Not only did she pick up an instrument and decide to help out her student and spread some joy, but she wrote a song, and as inspiration, she was going to share what she's been going through and how it makes her feel while she is in isolation. Have a look.
Hey, so as some of you guys might know, I'm a music teacher, and I found that one of the best ways that I can process the whole transition to online learning and teaching is to write a song. So I wrote a song. I'd like to share that with you guys now. Here we go.
Okay, let's all be honest. Who was singing the chorus right along with her? I know I certainly was. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about on this workshop. I'm going to share with you what I did to transition and maybe some things that we use in entrepreneurship and innovation that may help you as you take your classes online and remote. Well, I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you can join us. I'll see you June 16th. Talk to you soon.